learners. Today we are going to discover a fantastic, fun and friendly letter. Can you guess which one? It's the letter F. Here is big F and here is little f. They look different but make the same sound. Letter F is a fun letter and it helps us say so many words. Let's learn its sound together. Letter F makes the f sound just like in fish. Look at this little fish swimming. Fish. Say it with me. Fish. F is also for frog. Repeat, repeat. Frog. Can you say it? And F is for fire. Look at the warm glowing fire. Fire. One more. F is for fan. Feel the cool air blowing. Fan. Now let's play a fun game called Mystery Word. I will give you a clue and you have to guess what word starts with the letter F. Clue 1. I live in the water and I swim all day. I have fins and scales. What am I? Yes, a fish. Fish. Clue 2. I jump high and say rabbit rabbit. I live in ponds. What am I? That's right, a frog. Frog. Clue 3. I am warm, I glow, and I help cook food or keep people warm. What am I? Great job! Fire. Fire. Clue 4. I spin around and keep you cool on hot days. What am I? Yes, a fan. Fan. Wow, you are so smart. You guessed all the words that start with letter F. Let's remember what we learned. F says like in fish, frog, fire, fan. You are such a great learner. Give yourself a big clap. Did you have fun learning the letter F? If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more ABC fun. Next time we will learn about the letter G. See you soon. Bye bye.